Good morning, traders, and welcome to Trading Waves live cryptocurrency weekly outlook. So, guys, my name is Sandile. Ngobo, those of you who doesn't know me, so I'll be standing in for Victor for this weekend's sessions. All right. So, without wasting any time, guys, let's get started with our crypto outlook. Very interesting what is happening on the cryptocurrencies now, and we've had such great setups on the cryptocurrencies in our group. So, right, what you're seeing here on the screen now, these are our contact details. If you wish to contact us, you can email us there at info@elliottwaveprinciple.com. If you've got any inquiries regarding the course, you can drop us an email there. You can have our WhatsApp and Telegram number there. You can inbox us, or you can just WhatsApp us. It's also it's available on both Telegram and WhatsApp. And we've also got a Telegram channel where we post our webinars and any announcements regarding the company, and we post some few setups there. And any free content we share there. We've got our Trading View. You can follow us down on Trading View, and below that we've got our website, which is www.elliottwave-principle.com. If you've got any inquiries or you want to see our services, you can just visit that website. And lastly, the two bottom pages are our social media pages. You can follow us on Twitter at Trading Wave 7, and you can also follow us on Facebook. Very interesting what is happening with our social media pages, guys. You can just check them out because we post some free content there. You will want to check that out. Right. So if you visit our Facebook page, this is what you should come across here. This is our Facebook page. You should be visited by this face here. Check out the free content that we share there. We've got a lot of trade, like I've said, of charts that we share there, and also on Twitter. So what you see on Twitter is exactly what you are going to see on Facebook. Right, we'll start with the trade setups. We've just had added some few services here, guys. If you check out here, the members, they will know, they will see that now we are having a specific crypto trade setups. So we will be looking at more of the cryptocurrencies, and we will be providing the setups alone. And we've got our blue box trade setup. This is an added service there. Watch out for that. We will be looking for those buying and selling areas. Very interesting areas to look at when you are looking at the market. They are more of like a decision and an agreement between the buyers and the sellers, and that's how we treat them in our group. And you've seen a couple of charts on the website that play out after we've gone into the blue box. So let's go into the cryptocurrencies. So we'll be referring to the charts on the website, but before we go there, let's see how did we trade the cryptocurrency. So we'll be starting with the Bitcoin chart. This was the setup that was shared to our members. We're looking for this break here, and we were looking for a move to the upside here on a Bitcoin. How did Bitcoin play out after that? Let's look at now. We've seen that Bitcoin is already starting to trade higher. Is already traded higher here, and we're still looking for a continuation move to the upside there. What you're seeing here is just a W correction. You will see when we go on a live chart, this should still continue to trade higher. But this move here to the upside, you've seen the overall structure that we were having these big expanding failed corrective structure that we believe that it has already ended here, and from here we're expecting that Bitcoin should start to trade higher. I should have prepared the chart here for guys to see how we forecasted the Bitcoin when it was around this area here, forecasting that with this one more leg to the downside, and that is exactly what's happened. But this is just for show you that we've taken a trade for that move to the upside on the Bitcoin. Let's look at the next one here. Litecoin. You've seen this one here. This was the trade setup. We're looking for this break here. We're looking for this move to the upside, and you've seen that Litecoin has already moved to the upside there, and we're around at this area here. We're still looking for a continuation to the upside on the Litecoin. And this is how it has played out. It is around this area here of the entry at the live chart, but we are still looking for a continuation to the upside there on a Litecoin. Let's look at the next one. A Ripple. We're looking for a continuation to the upside there, and you've seen how Ripple has traded higher. And the members, they will remember very well when we were around this area here, we said Ripple should start to trade higher from there. If you've been a member, you could have taken this trade here from around this area here. Unfortunately, the trade that we've had here is the one that we've posted when they were around here. Let's see how did Ripple play out here. Can see that we are still expecting a continuation. Ripple has traded higher, and we are still expecting for a continuation to the upside there. These, if you get any corrections there on the coins, guys, look for a continuation to the upside there. Let's look at the next one. How did we trade Should be Doge or Dash. Let me see here. The next one will be Dash. We're looking for a move to the upside. Yeah, this was a trade for a move that we're looking for the upside. How did Dash play out? You can see that we've already traded, we've already moved to the upside there, but now we are having a correction. These correction here are giving us a continuation pattern, guys. So you should look for trade setup around this year. These are just the flags that are taking place here. This was Bitcoin Cash. We're looking for a move to the upside there. How had Bitcoin Cash played out? You can see that we've already started to make this move to the upside there, and now we're having this correction. We should continue to look for a continuation to the upside here. Dodge, we're looking for this move to the upside there. How did Dodge play out? You can see that the okay, unfortunately we don't have. We look at the live chart on Dodge. Okay, this is a forex. You can look at on the forex outlook. So now let's go on a live chart and let's see what is the expectation on the cryptos going forward. Let's start with Bitcoin. Let's switch off here. Bitcoin, we're looking for a continuation to the upside here. Like I've said that, unfortunately, I did not have this chart here to show you guys, but we forecasted Bitcoin when it was around this at this area here that it was going to trade high. Let me just wanna switch off here. Okay, so we forecasted that Bitcoin, this was the expanding flat corrective structure here that we're getting. This is three waves down to the downside, three waves up here, and we're having this one coming down in parts. This was just a simple A, B, C structure that we're looking at. And from here, we said we're looking for a continuation to the upside. And that is exactly what is happening with Bitcoin. So we are still looking for a continuation to the upside here on the Bitcoin. If you get any corrections around this area here, look for a continuation to the upside. Let me see here. I don't see any possibility here. Another possibility that we've had here, we said this could be an ending diagonal like this here. And if that's the case, we could have this here as our wave A here. These are five waves, and we can have this as a correction, and we get one more move to the downside before we can see Bitcoin to trade higher again. So this still remains to be seen, guys. We still need more data here to see if are we having this here as an ending diagonal, and are we going to get this one more down here before we get a continuation to the upside. But for now, we are looking for any continuation pattern for this move to the upside here. Let's look at the next one, Ethereum. We're looking for a continuation to the upside here. You've seen that Ethereum has been into all-time highs, and we are looking at this year to have already ended this year as an running flat corrective structure. This being a three-wave move here, three-wave move up here, and this here. This is a three-wave move here. You might see this one as an impulsively move you're looking at here, but this is just a simple WXY structure as a running flat corrective structure. So we're looking for this here as a continuation to the upside. If you get any three waves pull back here, it could be 3, 7, or 11 swing, look for a continuation to the upside on Ethereum. We just refer the website here, guys, for the chart here, so that you can look at the structure that we're looking at here. So Bitcoin, this is what we're looking at here. I've just said this one. This was a three-wave move. We're looking for a continuation to the upside here. Let's look at Ethereum. Looking at this one here to be a running flat corrective structure, and we're looking for a continuation. We've already broken to all-time high here on Ethereum, and we are looking at the same on a Litecoin. So Litecoin, we're still expecting for this one here. We're looking at this one here to be a three-wave move that has already ended here with our fifth wave truncated there when you go in a 1 hourly. We're looking at this here to be a five-wave move to the downside there. This is already truncated, and we're looking for a continuation to the upside. How has Litecoin played out here? Let's go on a live chart. Litecoin, not this one here. Let's look at Litecoin. You can see that we've already starting to make this move to the upside there. So we're still looking for a continuation to the upside there on the Litecoin. If you get any pullback in 3, 7, 11 swing, look for a continuation to the upside against this low here. Let's look at the next one. It should be Ripple. Ripple, we're looking for a continuation to the upside there. We're looking at this one here to have ended this as a three-wave move to the downside, and this could have also been a 7-swing sequence, this being a WXYXZ structure. But when we were around there, we said look for a continuation to the upside, and that is exactly what has happened with Ripple. Now we are still expecting for this year. These flags that you're looking at, guys, they are representing for this move to the upside. They look out for this continuation to the upside against this low on a Ripple. Those are the cryptocurrency that we've had listed on our website. So we will be adding some of the coins. So let's look at the next ones. Let's look at Doge. You saw Doge that we're looking for a continuation to the upside there. We've seen this here as a 3 waves move to the downside. Let me go here on the live screen here, on a full chart rather. So we're looking at this here to be a 3-wave move to the downside, and we're looking for a continuation to the upside. You've seen this impulsively move here, and this here to be a 3-wave move structure, and you're expecting for this one for a move to the upside. This here could be a start of a wave 1, and you're having this here as a wave 2, and you're getting a continuation for a move to the upside for a wave 3. But don't be mindful that these could still be a W, these could still be an X, and you get one more down before you get the move to the upside. This will be a simply WXY structure, but for now, we're still looking for this one to continue to trade higher. Let's look at the next one. ADA, we're looking for a move to the upside here. We've been looking at this here, this structure here. This has been the corrective structure that we've been looking at here. This to be a move to the downside. This being a move to the downside here, and we've had this here, the 3-wave moves up. 3-wave move to the upside here, and we had this last leg as our move to the downside. So we are looking at this one to be a simple WXY structure, and now the expectation is for this one to continue to the upside. Against this low here, we will be looking for any pullbacks. Even if we get a deeper pullbacks, we will be looking for this here to continue to trade higher here. So almost all the coins, guys, are similar. We're looking for that move to the upside. If you get any corrections, look for a move to the upside. Monero, we're looking for this one to still continue to trade higher. Looking for this one for a move to the upside. You can see that we've already having this here. This is just a corrective structure here. You're looking at this one here to be a 3-wave moves here. You should look for a continuation to the upside here on Monero. Let's look at the next one. Binance. Very interesting what is happening with the Binance. We've been looking at this year to be a continuation pattern for a move to the upside. This year to be a 3 waves down here, and we're looking for this one to continue to the upside. At most, what we could have here is this. We could have this one here to be a 3-wave move to the downside, this to be a 3-wave move to the upside, but this is just an alternative. You get one more down here before a continuation to the upside, but it does not look like we're going to get this one move to the downside. The indicator does not show us for this one more later. So we're looking for any continuation patterns here. Remember, guys, you still need to have an indicator here. As much as you can look at this here with a clear chart, and then you look at this here as Elliott Wave structures, you still need to have an indicator because these are computer generated charts. You still have an indicator that is going to help you out in the entries. So we've got a special indicator that we use to confirm our entries. But for now, it does not confirm for this lecture downside. We're still looking for this year as a continuation for a move to the upside here. Right, so that was Monero. Let's look at the next one here. I'm going to live screen here. Let's look at Dash. Looking for a continuation to the upside here. You've seen how we traded this one here. We're looking at this one here to be an impulsively move to the upside. This here to be an impulsively move, and this was a correction. So we are looking for a continuation to the upside. At most, if you were to have this here, this could just be to give you one more down here, but does not look like it's going to give you this one more down because this could still be 3 waves down, 3 waves up here. You get one more down, and then a continuation to the upside. But the indicator is just calling for this one here for this move to the upside, especially against this low here. We will be looking for a continuation to the upside. Okay, let's just continue here. Now, it doesn't have to be complete the WXY structure, but it's just that it's very, once you get the WXY structure, it's almost confirmed that you're going to get the move to the upside that you're looking for. Okay, this is almost confirming. So it doesn't have to be a WXY structure. Okay, let's look at Bitcoin Cash. You saw how we traded this one here. We're still expecting for a move to the upside here. So we're looking at this one here to have completed this year as a single correction here. Now we are expecting for this one to continue to trade higher. Similar structure that you've seen on a Ripple, we're expecting this one to continue to trade higher. So on a Ripple, so this is a similar structure. We're expecting for this one to continue to trade. That's what the indicator is showing us, that we should expect for this move to the other. Very interesting on the coins, guys. You should look for those buying opportunities. But like I've said, this is an alternative here. This being a three-way move to the downside, this could be a three-way move up, and we get this one more up here, and then a continuation to the downside. If it does that, we won't be looking to sell. We'll still be looking for this year to be a continuation pattern. But depending on the characteristics of this wave here, this year, how it's going to behave will give us an early indication with the indicator if we are going to get this one more leg before a continuation to the upside. For now, we are expecting for this year to continue to trade higher. Bitcoin Satoshi version, we're looking for a continuation to the upside here. We're looking for this one to have completed this move to the downside. There's a three-wave moves here. We're looking for this to continue higher. But just like the other one, you could still get this one more up here for a move before a move to the upside. But for now, the indicator is still calling for this one to continue for a move to the upside. Let's look if there's any that I've not covered here. Let's look at Zcash. We're looking for a continuation to the upside here. We've been looking at this one to have completed this. Let me clear that wrong here. So we're looking at this one here to have already completed this as a corrective structure. We're looking for a continuation for a move to the upside here. So we're looking for a continuation to the upside here. Binance versus Bitcoin. We're looking for a continuation to the upside there. This year being here, we might get one more down here. This could be the structure that we're getting here. After we've got this year move to the upside, you could be getting this year to give you possible running flat corrective structure and then get a continuation to the upside. So you might get one more leg here, come around this area here, then from there you should expect for a move to the upside. Not recommended that you sell this one here. No, we don't sell the cryptos. Hold on to the cryptos. We're only looking for a continuation to the upside. Let's look at the last one. That will be a link. We're looking for a continuation to the upside here. We're looking at this one. It's already completed this move here. There's a corrective structure. This being a move to the downside here, and we're looking for a continuation to the. This is these structures, guys. You can see the similarities on all the cryptocurrency. This is almost the same structure you are seeing on a Ripple. So we're looking for these to continue for a move to the upside. If you're a bit skeptical to trade that one here, you just wait for this one to break this higher, because you could still have this structure expanding this way here. This could be a three-wave to the downside. You have this three-wave moves up here, come and take this higher, and you get one more move to the downside before you can expect for the continuation to the upside here. But overall on the cryptocurrencies, guys, we're looking for a move to the upside. All right, from my side, guys, that's all what I had on the cryptos. Just know that we will be adding most of our cryptos. If you're a crypto trader, you might be looking to try us there. So like we've only got the 4 now that are listed on our website. So we will be adding some. At least we'll be looking at 10 coins. All right, from my side, that's all what I've had for you guys, and I'll see you next time. Cheers from my side. Bye-bye.